Dude, you're onto something. We know they're gonna crash this dollar. What do they care? Who runs the world? The tech lords. Everyone with over $100 billion are neo-kings, all right? And they don't care about the value of the dollar at all. It doesn't fucking affect them. Everything for them is energy and materials. So if we're investing, we might as well invest in what they need, and we can already see what's happening with the dollar. And it behooves them when everyone's in destitute poverty, easier to control. So that all goes hand in hand. All right, so they'll need uranium as we go, but for all the data centers and shit, copper. So you have the Rio I talked about, and then COPJ, COPX. Those are 2 ETFs with nice dividends, because that's all they demand. Well, one of the big things they demand right now. Then you have the defense. They also need their armies of robots and drones and shit, because people get feisty. So then that's going to be, they need these rare earths, antimony, UAMI, to make the steel hard and whatnot. Magnet processing. is doing these magnet processing, because these magnets and stuff, very important for all their shit. And then of course you have the AI, but even AI, you have to be careful when you're choosing your AI companies, because Palantir pretty much reigns supreme, but BVI's Palantir's little brother. BVI will rise. And then, let me think here. One's like Poet, Elmu, and then there was another one somebody had said. So those are assisting in the data center shit. And then you could say VLN, AXTI, things that are helping them build these data centers, because they need the data centers for the spying and the control, very important. So then you can also say uranium, they're going to need their uranium for the energy. The energy is going to be huge, because they to run all this, they need their own small nuclear reactors, SMR. Dude, and Oklo, somebody had said this thing about Oklo, and they said that they're rising on a trend and expectation. And you could almost say that Oklo is kind of like a biotech, where they haven't been approved yet. So they're rising. And then once they get their nuclear approval, they could fall. Oklo's customers is like the tech lords themselves. Sam Altman will definitely be. But if Oklo's, everyone associates them with Sam Altman, OpenAI, not making any money. So how are they going to afford a nuclear reactor? But Amazon could get one. Those Oklo's going to be good. But SMR's going to be regional. And they can also do smaller places too. SMR, Oklo, NNE, and then ASPI, giving the fuel. LEU. LEU's going to keep having the year. Well, that's why I would say URNM, URNJ, 2 uranium ETFs. URA holds Oklo with a dividend. And then solar. This solar stuff. You have ASTI has the least amount of revenue out of these solar companies. Because TE, we know that T is on the stair. I think they're going to do well. They need so much energy. Energy is more valuable than the dollar. Like, they don't care about the value of the dollar. They need energy sources for all their dreams and aspirations. So then, these little solar ones, SMXT, and what was our other little? Soon, SUUN. Those can rise. Solar can rise. And then, what else am I going to say? Our drones. They need their armies. ONS, obviously. UMAC. Surveillance stuff. OPTT. KDK Aurora. Autonomous trucks, they're going to go, but slower road getting to getting profitable. Archer, Hover, Joby. The billionaires and the wealthy are going to rise like crazy, and they're going to have to get around fast, because the peasants, the masses of people that will be unemployed, bothering everyone, that's going to be a problem, because they didn't invest in anything, and now they're destitute poor, living in places nobody wants to live. So eVTOLs will do well, because they're going to sell to people that can afford them. God willing, you guys, maybe we will have a midnight someday. Actually, I'm terrified of flying, so I don't think I would do that. But anyways, other people will. Well, if you have to get out of places, because like cities can have these to do rescues and things, all sorts of things. eVTOLs are obviously replacing helicopters. But anyways, default. Oh yeah, dude, the tokenization. If they start tokenizing, because you have Eric, they tokenize their Sumerian. Then this other company has geothermal stuff. You could say Plug Power Hydrogen. They could do that. They, Plug Power, I think they're going to do well too. Energy. Energy is going to do well. Energy and materials. God, it's going to be a time. They're going to crash the dollar completely. Devault will tokenize real-world assets. That on the NYSE platform. This is all starting to really make sense and come together. But, well, good luck to everyone.